Hello, my name is Steve Schmid. I'm an owner and operator of Simple Pump Company. We make hand pumps and motorized pumps for water wells, mainly used for backups and in some off-grid cases used for primary water sources. Just a little bit of background for the Simple Pump. It was initially created by a couple of engineers here in Minden, Nevada back in the late 90s. We are a family-owned business. We are a small business. All stuff is locally done here in Minden, Nevada. We do have a machine shop locally here. That machine shop uses U.S.-made materials. There are some things in our system that are not U.S.-made. That's just because we have no option other than to go outside, but that's very minimal and not the significant pieces of the system. We like to think that we focus on continually improving our pump. In the last 5 years, we have introduced a couple different products that have increased its capability. We now have a pumping cylinder that can do 20 ounces per stroke. There are limitations in which wells it can fit in and how deep it can go, but it is definitely good for shallow wells. We've also introduced a suction pump, which is a different type of pump. It sucks the water up versus pushing the water up. And that's really good, and it's a less expensive solution for wells that are more shallow versus a deep well which requires the hand pump. We want to let you know that we are going to start a video series where I will discuss certain topics, and we'd really like to hear from you guys on what you want to hear, whether it's about, how the pumps are configured, what information do you need to know, or if you're an existing owner of a Simple Pump, what are certain maintenance activities that you need to do? Just give us some topics and we'll come up with our own as well. And we'll just continue to put out these videos so that you guys can get a little more information on our product and our business. If you want to find out more information about our pump and our pump systems, you can check out www.simplepump.com. There's a ton of information there. You can always contact us through that website. We'd also like you to go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if there's topics that you want to hear more on, then you can just leave them in the comments of this video and we'll get them on the list. Thank you.